Straight back.
When you look out that way, you can't.
No, you can't. That's
Right. Exactly, the whole quarter.
right.
Is your phone in the car?
No.
Something keeps beeping, it ain't me. And this car can't be the computer.
Oh, it is.
I hear all this chiming and I'm like, it ain't me beeping.
Fell out of my purse.
I'm like, oh my.
I am so lucky these cars run like champs. All three of them. You got a little bit. There you go.
If I was George the Animal Steel, we would have torqued it up to 4 grand and dumped the clutch and held on for the ride. Good?
Just watch him on the right-hand side. He's good. It's all good. That's good. Just turn the wheel a little bit left. Didn't even need the brakes. That's confidence. Mike, hit the brakes. Oh, okay. On the right hand. Oh, there they go. Now they're working. Yeah. Try that one more time, please. Blinker. Okay, right hand side. Blinker, left hand side. Lights off. Just pump the brakes slowly. We're good. And that's the old incandescent lamps. Take it for a little cruise. Tell me what you think.